Good day, this video is about how I painted my SD NEO ZEONG with Show Up Terra Krome Perfect Kit. For purchasing Show Up's products, go ahead and check out World Hobby Miniature link in the description below. Check out Show Up website for a lot of hobby high quality paints from Japan. Thank you, here we go. I prepared the parts by priming the parts with hobby surfacer and apply them with Show Up real black as the base color. I left the parts with painted with Show Up real black for 24 hours. Now they are all dry. I mixed Show Up clear primer, mixing ratio 3 primer, 1 hardener and 20% thinner of the whole mixture, and start the second step. I apply one mist layer for every part and wait for them to dry for 15 minutes or more. I adjust my airflow to mist low and light spray. After 15 minutes, I apply 2 to 3 wet layers. I adjust my airflow to normal. I leave the parts to rest for 24 hours or more. It depends on the weather, if it's high and dry or rainy. The part should be glossy. Patience is the key. It was raining, so I decided to leave the parts for 48 hours. Now they are all dry. It's time to apply Show Up Terra Krome. I spray 3 to 5 mist layer. I adjust my airflow to low. The chrome will be gray at first, but then will self-develop into mirror finish. I stop spraying when it's still gray and start spraying again once it turns into chrome finish. This is how it looks when it's still gray. I must wait until the paint develops into chrome finish to spray next layer. It's best to wait for 5 minutes between every layers. You can see the grayish tone slowly turns into chrome. Let's wait for 5 minutes. I do the same for every part and leave them to rest for 24 hours or more. Final coat is important to keep the chrome from fading, scratches, etc. The clear primer is also a glossy clear paint to protect the chrome. Mixing ratio is the same. 3 primer, 1 hardener, 20% thinner of the whole mixture. I start with a mist layer and leave the parts to rest for 15 minutes. It looks cloudy, foggy in the first layer. That's okay, I'm on a good track. After 15 minutes, I apply 2 more wet layers to finish the project, and then I leave the part to rest for 24 hours. This is my final finish of Terra Krome on SD NEO ZEONG.